Anyone wondering where does sales fit into this? Where would you guess? Where do you put sales in this pyramid? Where does sales fit? Hubs? Any other debates on that? Could be business model. I'll show you. I'm going to draw it.
Everywhere?
Everywhere? Could be. Right there. The very, very tip. That's it. There's all this weight put on sales. What I'm suggesting is if you do this stuff, it's, there's a great quote by, I think it was Peter Drucker, and he said, the purpose of marketing is to make selling redundant. Meaning you don't need it anymore. That's the purpose of selling. Your marketing is so good, you do all these things so well that people just show up and say, how do I pay you? How do I sign up? There's no having to sit down and convince them. Will everybody get there? I don't know. But this is the goal. And to the extent that you don't have these things, this expands. And suddenly you need to sit down and have a conversation and overcome objections. All those things start to appear. So my suggestion is just shrink that as much as you can.